Alright, well, this is Hush Hush. I never needed you to be strong. I never needed you for pointing out my wrong. I never needed pain, I never needed strain. My love for you was strong enough, you should have known. And it's a little late for explanation. There isn't anything that you can do. And my eyes hurt, hands shiver. So look at me and listen to me, because I don't want to stay another minute. I don't want you to say a single word. Hush, 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 hush. Well, there is no other way. I get the final say, because I don't want to do this any longer. I don't want you. There's nothing left to say. Hush, 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 hush. I've already spoken. Our love is broken, baby. Hush, hush.